Deep in the heart of an ancient kingdom, there existed a legendary sword known as Shadowbane. With its razor-sharp blade and mysterious dark aura, it had earned a fearsome reputation. But what many didn't know was that the sword carried a curse that would forever change the lives of those who wielded it. Centuries ago, the kingdom faced a grave threat. A fearsome dragon terrorized the land, laying waste to villages and devouring livestock. The king, desperate to save his people, sought a solution and came across an ancient prophecy. It spoke of a cursed sword hidden deep within the forbidden forest, capable of slaying even the mightiest of beasts. Driven by desperation, the king embarked on a treacherous quest to retrieve the sword. Legend had it that only the purest of heart could wield it without succumbing to its curse. After days of perilous journeying, he reached the heart of the forest and discovered the sword hidden within a stone pedestal. Ignoring the ominous whispers that echoed through the trees, the king grasped the hilt of Shadowbane and pulled it free. In that instant, a dark energy surged through his veins, and the curse took hold. The king's heart grew cold, and an insatiable hunger for power consumed him. Under the sword's influence, the king transformed into a tyrant, ruling his kingdom with an iron fist. The once peaceful land fell into darkness, and the people suffered under his oppressive rule. It seemed as though the curse had corrupted not only the king's heart but also the very soul of the kingdom. Years passed, and tales of the cursed sword and the tyrant king spread across the land. But amidst the despair, a young knight named William rose from the ashes of the kingdom's sorrow. Fueled by a desire to save his people, he embarked on a quest to free the kingdom from the clutches of the curse. Guided by ancient scrolls and whispered legends, William journeyed to the forbidden forest. He faced treacherous traps and encountered mysterious creatures, all in his pursuit of the cursed sword. Finally, he reached the stone pedestal and, with unwavering determination, pulled Shadowbane from its resting place. To his surprise, the curse's dark grip did not consume him. The purity of his heart shielded him from its malevolent influence. With the sword in hand, William vowed to use its power for good and restore balance to the kingdom. As he traversed the land, wielding Shadowbane against the forces of darkness, William discovered that the sword held not only a curse but also a hidden gift. It could absorb the darkness it encountered, purifying the land and healing the wounds inflicted by the tyrant king. With each battle fought and each victory won, the kingdom began to flourish once more. The people rallied behind William, their newfound hero, and together they worked to rebuild what had been lost. The curse that had plagued the land for so long started to dissipate, replaced by hope and prosperity. In time, the cursed sword's true nature was revealed. It was not an instrument of destruction but a catalyst for redemption. Under William's guidance, the kingdom flourished, and the tale of the cursed sword became a legend told for generations to come, a reminder of the power of redemption and the triumph of the human spirit. And so, the legacy of Shadowbane lived on, a testament to the strength of those who dared to face darkness head-on and the transformative power of compassion and righteousness.